Welcome back to my channel. This is Mac, and today we're working on the truck. We were driving the truck back from Orlando area, and we noticed that the temperature wasn't coming up at all. It's low as can be, and we've been driving the car for a couple hours, and the fan was just running hardcore. And in fact, when you turn the car off, the fan's still running. It's a key indication that your thermostat just took a crap. You need to replace it. So I've seen this before. Went ahead and bought the part. It's right here. Here's the part number for you. I'll put it in the description so you guys have it. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'll start the car for you. You can kind of see what's going on with it. I drove it for about, I don't know, 30 minutes a little bit ago, just to go pick up the part and stuff. So the car's still, well, I'd say it's warm, but it's not. And I also finally had a check engine light come up on me today for this particular issue, saying that the car's not getting up to temperature. So, kind of see here, the temp's still pegged at the bottom, and the fans will start kicking on the car, and it'll actually run when I turn the car off, acting like the car's overheating or whatnot, but really it's not. You can kind of hear it now. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the car off so you can kind of hear it. So you're hearing right now is the fans just going overdrive. It'll turn off here in a minute. But basically what's happening is when these thermostats go out, they actually stay open to allow water to go through. So there's no resistance to the water, so it's just constantly going through and keeping the motor too cold, which you do want heat to warm it up, but not too much heat, if that makes sense. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and let's just keep going. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and wait for this thing to shut up, get some tools and get set up, and I'll show you what I use. Oh yeah. Oh, look at those. You know, it's funny. Everything to do this goddamn job is in my cart for Christmas. The pliers that cramp this close, the freaking pliers that do this shit.
Those pliers don't do that shit.
No, I'm just saying.
Oh, the special ones.
Yeah, they have special ones that do this.
Well, how do you know? Did you buy them for yourself for Christmas?
No, I have them in my cart.
Oh.
To do these.
Changing the whole housing?
You have to.
Oh, do you?
You'll.
Oh, it's all part of it. No wonder it's 50 bucks.
Ooh. Ooh.
What was that?
Mm.
Might have been thunder.
It's the thunder. Man, these are so awesome.
How was your day today?
Wasn't too bad.
Pretty easy day.
Yeah, non-eventful.
It's good. Need my knife?
No, I'm not destroying them. How's your day?
Slow.
Slow?
Yeah, it was pretty slow.
Oh. Shut the fuck up.
Oh my God.
Did you see that thing just fall in there?
And you can't find it, can you? Oh my God, where's your magnet? Let's pray.
You can buy a new truck. That's what that means, right? Oh
Dude.
my God.
Thank you, Lord. You'd had to pull that water pump.
A 15-minute job would have turned into a couple-hour job. Just like that.
Yeah. Within a matter of seconds.
Mm-hmm. A momentary lapse of judgment. Isn't that some crazy shit?
You got freaking lucky as hell.
Isn't that crazy? Holy
I seen that drop and I was like, oh God.
I was like, I was thinking, are you fucking kidding? Did that thing just dunk?
And it was a straight up swoosh.
Yeah,
There was no rim.
Okay. That's done.
A pretty simple thermostat, wasn't it?
Yeah.
We have to wash this driveway. So the yuppies won't lick it.
The yuppie. Yuppie.
Did you ever hear any more on that guy with the motor?
No, I didn't. Not yet. All right. Pretty simple job. Takes about, I don't know, 10 minutes to do. It's 3 bolts, 2 hoses. Oh, it almost turned into like a couple-hour job if I didn't get that bolt. That was crazy. But anyway, you can kind of see right there, just the 3 bolts. It's top of the motor, not that big of a deal. We're gonna clean off the driveway and all that good stuff. And very minimal amount lost. We'll put this intake back on, clean it up, and we'll start it. Alright, we'll do some little cleaning while waiting for the battery to reset itself. I did have I have an evac emissions leak detected show up on the truck as well. It's a P0455. Doing some research on that. That'll be my next video, fixing that thing. It does have a new gas cap I put on it probably about, I don't know, a week ago. It's usually a gas cap or some type of evap leak, and on this truck there are a couple things that go bad, like the canister and all that stuff. So I'll do some research on it, try to figure out what's wrong with it and replace it. Doesn't look like it'll cost more than $100. So anyway, while I'm waiting, I'll be right back. Okay, so essentially all you need is a 10mm socket to do this job. Take out the battery terminal, reset the computer. You can take this thing off, undo the clamp with a flathead screwdriver, pop these clamps off. It's a pretty simple job. All right, let's go ahead and start this bad boy up. We shouldn't hear any more of that crazy fan going off anymore. What do you think, Mike? Fixed? Yeah. I'm like 99% sure that was it.
Did you hook the battery? Oh,
Yeah.
yes.
Yep. Okay, we should start seeing that temperature rise. So what I'll do is I'll let this run for a few minutes. We'll come back and check the temperature and go from there. I'm gonna check the reservoir too, make sure it's good. Okay, looks like I need to put some more in there. I'll do that right now. Okay guys, let me get some light. First thing you'll notice, the fan's not on. I'm burning off some extra stuff that dropped. Fan's about to kick on, but they're not full blare, right? Next thing you'll notice, temp actually went up. So, problem resolved, fixed. Just an easy fix for you guys. It's something you guys can all do in your own front yard or whatever, in your garage. Pull it in, remove those 3 bolts, you're good. And then make sure you replace any antifreeze that you lose. I use that little clamping blocks to kind of clamp it. I need to get one of those plier things. They worked a lot better when I was trying to do, but and then while you're in there, make sure your hose aren't like cracking and crumbling when you're trying to squeeze them, just to make sure everything's good. Like his truck. You know, I mean, this is an 8-year-old truck. Rubber breaks down. So other than that, it's all fixed. And I'll come back with that evap thing whenever I decide to fix that. So until next time, guys, you guys have a good one. Bye.